This week's tech tip is about LTEM-P communicators. We've talked about being able to power the LTEM-P communicator from the control panel, or an alternative 12-volt DC power source, and we've provided current requirements, but we haven't yet provided a wiring diagram. I wanted to be certain that the information we provided was completely accurate, and free of any unnecessary limitations. After working with engineering, I have created a wiring guide for using 12-volt DC auxiliary power to power the LTEM-P, with a convenient current calculation worksheet. In addition to this, you may have read, or been told that you could not use Wi-Fi when not powering the device from the 9-volt DC power supply. Knowing that Wi-Fi did work in this configuration, I investigated and discovered that it is supported by engineering with adequate current provided for the device. Therefore, this limitation has been removed. The LTEM-P can be used with Wi-Fi and a 12-volt DC power source. Just make sure you provide enough current for the device to operate. This wiring guide will be posted in the comments, and will be available from my webtech. One last thing to remember: to keep the UL listing for the device, the 9-volt DC power supply must be used. We hope this information has been helpful for you. Please share this tech tip with anyone you believe could benefit from it.